begins.
This is how the story begins.
We are
Idiots.
things.
We are idiots jumping on mattresses.
Get off the castle. This is my castle. My daddy's bed. You're not the prettiest. I am the prettiest. This is my bed.
No, you're not.
No, it's not. I'm not. It's mine.
You're Ollie, man. Shit it. What? Oh, now watch this.
Superstars!
No, don't catch me.
Oh my god, that's so high.
Uh-huh.
Okay, let me try. Oh,
Epic failure. Epic failure.
You're not the prettiest. I am the prettiest. No, I am. All of
Stop it.
all
Blech.
the prettiest.
Blech. Blech.
Yeah.
Blech. Blech. What are you doing? Blech.
No. No, you're not the prettiest. All of the girls are pretty. No.
Except for you.
Every girl is pretty. Even you. Even you. Every girl is pretty. Every girl. Every girl is pretty. Not. You're the only one that has.
Lucky.
How you do? Kicks it, man. Wait, I just thought of something. Oh, and look here, this is the funky thing.
That he does.
A funky thing. It is. What was that water? Ay, 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 yes.
This is bossy. You're doing a bossy one. Hey, look at doggy food. Do you think he's nice? Do you think he's stupid? You seriously think he's stronger than me? I love that trick. He looks like a chicken. He looks like a chicken.
It helps me get speed. What?
Yeah, the heck.
He's dead, you guys. Let's just leave him.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. videos. TikTok.
Guys! No! Bring the plastic! Give it to me! Share! Share!
Let me think about time. You practice what you've done so.
I shall come. Let's go.
He's actually a boy, you know. That's actually a boy. That's a boy.
Positions, lines is written.
And don't use the same phrase.
Oh yeah, that's why we can add that in. So when he's done with his lines, you get up and walk down and fall. And then we'll go from there. He's not bloody falling. Okay.
My true love, I have come to take thee
Away.
to my home.
Epic failure. That's how you shoot. What you?
I just want to say, boo you! It is so.
Boogeyman!
No!
Alright, you guys. I speak with the Australian accent because I have been in Australia before.
For Pete's sake. Pete's sake. Why are you
Pete's
saying
sake.
for pizza?
Moving on, fellas. Come on, let's go.
Flowers.
How are you, mate?
Falling down. Falling down. 1, 2, 3.
Pi equals 3.141592654. What's 1 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 3 minus 2 plus 4? 8. Slow. 7. Apple iTouch. Yeah, it's super awesome. I don't know why, it just is. It is. If you get bored of it, you can skip it on a link. Yeah.
Or you do some hobo.
We're the dancing queens!
Epic failure.
Hey guys, be quiet or else I'll tape your mouth. Hey, I'm not going to get it up! Get it up! Get it up! Get it up! I did it! Get it up! Get it up! Hi! I own the cheetah now. Get off! No! Cheetah, cheetah! Cheetah, cheetah, cheetah! Follow me! The cheetah! Hey, follow me! I have come to save thee from the cheetah.
Oh, my cheetah.
Oh, too bad.
Not too bad for you.
You know, that's kind of.
Come on!
Okay, let's wander around.
Come
Okay,
on!
we're lost. We're lost. Now what do we do? Got adopted at the marketplace. Run well.
How about we make an experiment?
What kind of experiment?
With the monkey.
Doing what?
And then we make him go like, and we make him all like a human, and then he goes all crazy, shoes and stuff.
I'll be
That
the
crazy monkey is me.
Obviously.
He's coming back!
Really?
And then I go, can a girl have a sleep? Say it now.
Hard.
Come on, can't a girl have her sleep?
She's
She's alive.
she's seriously you.
She's alive. Who the heck are you?
She's very disorientated and confused. We must do something.
Leave me alone! You're seriously ill. We need to get you out of here.
Okay.
She's been eating burn pieces.
She's been eating. Wait, what is
Why
she
would you think that? I've been eating blueberries or potatoes. I can't remember. She's ill. Do you find any potatoes or blueberries in here?
No.
There's a tree.
Where?
Potato tree.
Potatoes don't grow on trees.
Oh, too bad. Come on, let's get her out of here.
I'm medical services.
Oh, what?